Alright, one thing that I want to talk to you guys about, it's cable management, okay? I already built my computer, okay? One thing that you want to do when it comes to cable management that is very important and a lot of people forget about it. It's make sure that you bring your cables from here to the back of the case. Now make sure that you have a good case for cable management. Okay, this one right here is a Fractal Design Define R5. I removed everything out of here. I only left one here for my hard drives. And I got my SSDs on the back. And it's very, very important that you keep your cable management nice and clean. Okay, just run your cables to the back. Okay, just have your hoses here, your HDMI 3.0 here. Make sure that you know your SATA, your 24-pin motherboard, power supply, everything else. Just make sure that you have everything nice and organized, and it looks very, very nice. Don't get your power cables and run them straight to the things like that. Don't run your stuff because it looks like shit. I've seen so many builds with ugly ass cable management. Another thing that is very important for cable management, make sure you buy sleeve cables. They look clean, they look nice. If you use the cables that come in with the power supply, right here I got the EVGA 750 G2, and on Snow White 2.0 I have the 850 G2 because the 850 watts, 80 plus gold certified as well. The reason why I got that, it's because I'm running SLI and I'm running about 550 watts total, like consumed wattage, and this here is running about 400 watts, so 750 watts is plenty. Now as you can see right here, I am about to install the MSI GeForce GTX 960. This computer is going to be my editing computer. Here I want to add a 6 terabyte here and another 6 terabyte here. That's going to be for storage because I'm going to be using this computer for editing and everything else. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the PCIe slots, guys. Okay, you can see right here, guys, you can see how clean the cable management is. You see no cables. I am using the Corsair H60. Okay, that is one thing that I want to show you guys. Right here is the 160, the H60 from Corsair. As you can see right here, I got pull and push configuration. But do you see any cables hanging anywhere? Of course not, because you have to be organized, okay? Hide your cables, run them up to a corner, hide them, clean your build. Don't be a lazy slob. Take the time, custom sleeve your case. Now look at that right there. There is my beautiful 960. Now, like I said, guys, this build is gonna be for editing. You can't even see the graphics card in there because it blends in with the white of the other stuff. Which honestly, guys, what I really want to do with this graphics card, it's I already bought a PCIe extender. I'm gonna mod the top of here. I'm gonna mod here. Okay, I'm gonna close this up. Okay, I'm gonna put those back in there, and I have an option here. I'm gonna open this up here. I'm gonna cut it, and my graphics card is gonna sit like that, right in front of everything, like that. It's gonna have the connections back here. What do you guys think? I think that's gonna look sexy as shit, isn't it? That looks gorgeous. That looks nice. Let me go ahead and get my screwdriver. Some people ask me, Creeper, can you make a video talking about cable management? And of course I can. Cable management, guys, is very important, okay? Alright guys, well, this here is your BGA cable that comes in for the power supply, okay? It's a 6-pin. We could hook this up here, okay? We could hook this up here like I see a lot of people do this here. Sorry for the ugly lighting. A lot of people do this here, okay guys? They go like this, and they route it somewhere behind, and they come back into their graphics card, and they do this here. Now that right there already looks ugly as shit. You need to fix that. That right there is so unacceptable. I do not approve this. When I see a case, a beautiful build with ugly ass cable management, makes me want to smack you upside the head. but I don't do that because I don't have it close to me. Now right here, this here, it's already custom sleeve. You can see this here. Okay, we can just do a little tight here, and we can, you know, run it. You can get some combs. You can send that to the back of the case. You can go ahead and run your PCIe cable 6-pin, because this card only takes a 6-pin. That right there already looks nice. See that? That right there already looks nice. I'm gonna use black. I already got my PCIe cables here. Okay. Trust me, I have all kinds of stuff here. And I'm going to go with it right here, and I'm gonna go with it right here. Alright, so you can see right here, this is custom, not really custom sleeving. It looks very sexy, it looks very nice. Okay guys, that is cable management. That is something that you want to keep into consideration. Make sure that you get PCIe, I mean the 24-pin. Make sure that your power, like your graphics card, has custom sleeving. Make sure that all your cables are tucked in behind. Don't have any cables running around. And you can, and if you say, well, I don't have plenty of cables, well, get them online. You know, you have plenty of money to buy a game. Get yourself something nice for your custom build. Get it clean. Alright guys, this was a tech talk about cable management, and at the same time I installed my MSI GTX 960.